Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, I'll be going to share the step-by-step process to register and purchase the LYRYX software that is needed to complete assignments, access ebooks, and do the lab activities for the subject ACC-1093 Accounting Concept 1 for the Financial Planning and Wealth Management course at Lambton College, Sarnia. Log into your My Lambton account, you'll see a screen like this with all your schedules on the screen. Then select D2L. On the next screen, you'll see a list of subjects that will be taught to you in the current term. From this, scroll down and select your respective subject, that is 2022F-ACC-1093-11. 11 is my batch code. It could be different for you. Following will be the accounting concepts 1. Here my professor has shared the updated link for the LYRYX software so that I can easily download or register for this software at my own convenience. Don't worry if you don't have this posted on your D2L. I'll share the link in the description so that you can select and do your registration on your end. On the next page, you will see an interface like this. Being a new user, select on Create Account button on the right. Now, fill in your desired username and password, then select Next. On the next page, enter all your personal details, including your college email ID, student ID. Make sure in the email ID you enter your college email ID and not your personal email ID. Also, make sure all the details are correct, as you may not have the opportunity to change it in the future. In the country, select Canada. In the province, you have to select Ontario. Now, when you scroll down, you'll see that all your course details are already pre-filled. In case they are already not pre-filled, please search using the course name or the professor name in the above search bar. Once you have made sure that all the details are correct, please select your preferred payment method. In my case, I have selected PayPal as I already have a PayPal account. I'll be making the payment using this account. On the next page, I already had my PayPal account logged in into my web browser. I already have my credit card saved on this account, so I'll be using it to make this payment. The actual cost of the LYRYX software is around $59.95. However, after adding taxes, it should be around $62.95. On the next screen, press confirm. Now your payment is done and your registration is completed. Now go to the home page and log in using your credentials. After logging in, this is how the interface should look like.